Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning everyone. Today is Monday, 24th of February, and the weather is raining. Yun. And then, hindi malamig. Pero yun nga, tiny rain. Pero, malakas. Ano lang, ayan o. And, may hangin konti. So, hindi na naman tayo masyado makapag-video dahil umuulan. Time check, it's already 4:10. So, ayun lang everyone. God bless and maayong buntag sa tanan and good afternoon in the Philippines. Happy days always everyone. Kain tayo everyone. Time check is 5:15 na. Ayan. Dito kami lahat. Kompleto. Thank you, sis. Thank you.
Napupuno yan. Napupuno ng bilis.
Platform 4 everyone. Going to Jubilee Line toward Stanmore. Buy at the moment everyone. At may mga tao na everyone. See you when I see you. There is my destination. In 1 minute, Devil's Den Green is coming. Everyone. Stand back. Train approaching. Home everyone. May araw ngayon. And what time is it? 9:57 kasi dumaan ako sa Sainsbury. Yan ang aking luto everyone. Tortilla, spinach with the leftover and tutututu with rice. Kain tayo everyone. Ayan sila.
March 9 mga kapuso, magsasali para sa mga kapuso at kapamilya dahil ang Pinoy Big Brother mapapanood nyo na po kasama
I am here already everyone. My first train for this afternoon. Ayan, see you later after this and another train. God bless. Bye at the moment. See you later everyone. Here's my second train. Time check. 3:48 everyone. So, ayan. Yeah, right. This is Algate. Thank you and bye at the moment. See you later everyone. Maliwanag na ngayon ng panahon kasi may araw everyone. So, back to reality again. Normal. Back to the students is back to normal, everyone. Bye! Good evening, everyone. I'm already here at the house, in my bed. Kain tayo, everyone. Mag-dinner tayo. Ayan. After this one, and good night, God bless, and I love you all. Time check, it's 9:12, I mean.